Hey guys, it's Connor here with 3 Guys 1 Puck, and what do we got over here? We got another box of MVP 2019-2020 hockey, and we're on the hunt for Cale Makar. Let's get this done. Alright, let's get this Cale. We're going to start with the top left here. Finish that whole corner and then we'll go on. Oh, these packs. They're never going to be my friend. Alright. We're starting off with Alex Pietrangelo, Nick Leddy, Jonathan Toews, Colin Blackwell rookie card, a Victor Hedman Stanley Cup editions, and a backwards Evgeny Malkin laser shots. I got 2 pulls in that. Well, 3 if you count the rookie. I'm not going to complain about that.
An upside down one and a backwards one.
Yeah, it's interesting. I don't know. But yeah, that Victor Hedman, Evgeny Malkin, Charlie Coyle, Mike Hoffman, and John Gibson. Second pack. Oh, much more successful. We got Jimmy Howard, Matt Murray, Colton Parayko. Oh. We got a Patrice Bergeron Silver Scripts. And a boy! No, we got a Cale Makar Superscript number 200 of 249.
Wow, what a pull.
First Cale pull of the year. Let's go, baby.
What a card.
Yes. Vincent Trocheck, Nicholas Backstrom, and Travis Konechny. I swear there's an unsigned RFA in every single pack. I gotta get on that and get those contracts done.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Glenn. Alright, here we got Andreas Janssen, Nico Hischier, Tuukka Rask, my boy Austin Matthews, hit him with a 4. Nathan Bastian, another backwards laser shots, Drew Doughty.
Wow.
Michael Granlund, Ryan Suter, and Ben Bishop. On to pack number 4. Here we got Geno Malkin, TJ Oshie, Dylan Larkin, a Chris Tierney puzzle back. Let's see if we can see what it is. Oh, that's Nathan McKinnon.
Nice.
Net Crashers Taylor Hall. Will he resign? JT Miller, fresh on the Vancouver Canucks, Josh Anderson, and John Klingberg. Last pack of the top left corner. Means this is the 5th pack. We got Danton Heinen, Darcy Kemper, Jaden Schwartz, Zach McCowan rookie card, Zach Werenski, unsigned RFA, Toivo Teravainen, Rasmus Dahlin, and Seth Jones. Defense heavy pack. Let's go with the bottom right here. We'll go with opposite corners. Ooh, fucking screwing that up. Alright, pack number 6. Quarter of the way through. And what do we got? We got an Evgeny Kuznetsov, Brock Besser, Marcus Johansson, Trent Frederick, rookie card, Andrei Vasilevsky, Stanley Cup edition card, Peter Mrazek, Alex Brinkett, and Mikko Rantanen. Another unsigned RFA. What? Alright, here we got Devin Dubnyk, Ryan Johansson, Evander Kane, Tomas Hertl, with Artemi Panarin on the back. John Tavares, Mr. Toronto Maple Leafs Pajama Boy. 149 of 249. Let's go. It's a nice one to get. Michael Backlund, Travis Zajac, and Dustin Brown. This is quite the box so far. Maybe I'm just biased and I'm a huge John Tavares and Cale Makar fan, but here we got Jack Eichel, Patrick Hornquist, Braden Holtby, Sean Monahan, Drew Doughty, Tyler Bertuzzi, Martin Jones, and Joe Pavelski. Dud pack number 1. Here we got Artemi Panarin, Connor Hellebuck, Riley Smith, Dominic Kuhan, Silver Script, Laser Shots Eric Carlson. That's a good one to get. Braden Point, Jonathan Quick, and David Krejci. Pack number 10, last pack of the bottom right corner. Bo Horvat, Andre Vasilevsky, Mr. Alex Ovechkin checklist, David Riddick, my guy, Dante Fabro rookie card, very underrated, Logan Couture, Corey Crawford, and Ryan Dzingel. Bottom left corner, here we go. Nazem Kadri, fresh on the Colorado Avalanche. Thomas Tatar, Timo Meyer, unsigned? No, he signed. Jake Muzzin Puzzleback with Carey Price on the back. Geno Malkin, Stanley Cup Edition script. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Jacob Voracek, and Doug Hamilton. This pack feels good. This pack feels good. Darnell Nurse, Nate Dogg, Nathan McKinnon, Alex Wenberg. Oh, we got a Cale Makar checklist rookie.
Wow.
It's a Cale card. Let's go.
Yeah.
It's just a Cale pack.
And Patrick Marleau, Shea Weber, Mr. Mustache right there. That's a beauty. Antoine Roussel and Kasperi Kapanen. Starting this one off with Mr. Norris, Mark Giordano, Zach Parise, Ricard Raquel, Jeff Quada, Carter Hart. That's a pretty good one to get. Carter Hart Silver Script. Oliver Ekman Larson, Jared Spurgeon, and Ryan Getzlaff. Second last pack of the bottom left corner. Here we got Evgeny Dadonov, Brooks Orpik, Shane Gostisbehere, Alex Ovechkin, Jonathan Taves Net Crashers, William Nylander, bound for a bounce back season, Chris Kreider, and Alexander Barkov, Sasha Barkov. Last pack of the bottom left. What are we going to get? We got Alex Tuck, Patrice Bergeron, Andreas Athanasiou, a Thomas Chabot puzzle back with, obviously, Connor McDavid. Josh Bailey, Tom Wilson, Jake Muzzin, and David Pasternak. Here we got the final 5 packs of the box. What do we got left? We got Robin Leonard, now on the Blackhawks. Jacob Verana, Chris Tierney, Elias Lindholm, Silverback. That's a good one for me. My signature. Damon Severson Stanley Cup Edition card. Yanni Gord, Bobby Ryan, and Vladimir Tarasenko. Almost cake. Here we got Hurdle the Turtle. Thomas Chabot, Jordan Binnington, Matt Duchene, Connor McDavid, Brad Marchand, William Karlsson, and Damon Severson. Dud pack, but I mean, hey, Jordan Binnington, Thomas Chabot, Connor McDavid, All studs. You're right, Guambo. Here we got Philip Forsberg, Jonathan Drouin, Derek Stepan, Tom Wilson puzzle back with Brent Burns. That's quite the beard I see, so I'm going to guess Brent Burns. Oh, and we got a number 1 of 25, Claude Giroux's superscript.
Nice.
Let's go, buddy. That is a banger.
That's a nice one. Man, you're
Roman
getting so many numbered cards.
Roman Yossi, Thomas Kreis, and Keith Yandel. Zonk. Number 1 of 25. That's a beauty number. All right, second last pack. We got Joe Morrow, Adam Henrique in that beautiful Ducks jersey, Tyson Barrie, Kevin Boyle, rookie card, Jesperi Kotkaniemi Supernovas.
Not rookie.
Are you kidding me?
We got the Habs fan over there, a little jealous. Ryan Pulak, Blake Wheeler, and Mark Stone. Yeah, you must not be happy. I'm pulling Cale's, Montreal cards.
He pulls 2 Cales and a Kotkaniemi in the same hobby box.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Carter Hart?
Yeah.
Probably.
But that Coco can be yours for a fresh Carter Hart. On this last pack mojo, we got Kyle Palmieri, Nick Ritchie, Wayne Simmons, Lars Eller, Andreas Athanasiou Silverscript, and Brian Rust, Chris Letang, and Zach Hyman. I'd say that's a pretty banger pack. We got 3 numbered cards.
Oh my goodness.
We got Cale Makar, number 200 of 249. John Tavares, number 149 of 249. And Claude Giroux, number 1 of 25. I must say I'm very satisfied. I'm happy with MVP this year. Can't go wrong with this Supernova Coco too. That's John's favorite card of this box.
Absolutely.
But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave us a comment, give us a like, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.